Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off your iPhone location sharing without any knowing. There are two main ways to do this and both have pros and cons. The first method is using airplane mode. You can pull down the control menu and toggle airplane mode on, or go to the settings and turn it on from there, but keep in mind this temporarily disables your cellular signal and Wi-Fi, so no calls or data will work while it's on. When you are ready to start sharing a location again, just turn airplane mode off, but note they will see your last location before you turn it off. The second method is more permanent. Go to the settings, then find the privacy and security option, then tap the location services option. Here you will see all the apps using your location. If you don't want to share your location with a certain app like Find My, you can turn off the location access for that app. To stop all location sharing, simply toggle off the enter location service off. From there, this method lets you keep your cellular signal and internet working but stops sharing a location completely until you turn it back on. I hope this helps. If it did, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.